Did you know that Ellicott City has flooded 17 times since 1772? The worst was in October of 1868, 21 and a half feet of water. Hurricane Agnes in 1972, it brought 14 feet. Even crazier, after Agnes destroyed Main Street, they threw a bicentennial celebration, pageants, parades, and reenactors. They commissioned $35 million in flood mitigation, considering 60 to 85 million more in the long term. They could have given up 17 floods ago. Instead, they invest millions to protect this historic district. That's the kind of community commitment that you're buying into. I'm Scott Moran. Do you want neighbors who fight for their community? Let's talk about Howard County.